Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the DELIPOP Sputnik 4 bulb light fixture. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. The set comes with several different pieces in it. We have two packages for the body of the light fixture. There is also a metal plate that connects to the wall, various accessories that are needed for the installation, as well as the black circle cap. And there is also the instruction manual to help us with the installation. For the installation, we will take the first package of the body of the light fixture, and then we are going to screw the bars into the brass connector to secure each bar in place. Next, we will take the second package and do the exact same thing. Notice the difference in height between the two sets. One has a longer height for the vertical bar, while the other one is a little bit shorter. In the next step, we will first take the piece with the longer vertical bar. We are going to unscrew the nut and then string the cables through the hole on our black cap. We will then place a washer and screw the nut back in place. Then we will take the other piece and basically do the same. For this one, we will also put in the ground cable before screwing the nut back on. Next, we will put all 4 white cables together into the orange connector. And then we will do the same with the 4 black cables. Then we will grab the big cable and put the black with the black and white with the white. And it is now time to bring the light fixture up to the ceiling. Before doing that, let's make sure to turn off the breaker for safety purposes. We will start by connecting the metal plate onto the ceiling, and then we will screw on the metal rod piece that will hold the black cap, making sure that there is enough length to be able to close the black cover and secure the cap in place later on. Then we will need to connect the wires from the fixture to the ceiling. We will connect the black wire to the black wire, white to white, as well as the ground wire. Once that is done, position the cables inside the black cover, tighten it in place with the cap, and we are done. All that is left is to screw on 4 light bulbs and turn the power back on to enjoy our new chandelier light fixture. The light bulbs are not included, so you'll want to make sure that you grab some 60-watt bulbs for your new light fixture. This DELIPOP Sputnik chandelier has an elegant combination of black and antique brass, which gives a vintage and sophisticated look for your space. You can use it for all kinds of areas, such as the bedroom, dining room, living room, hallway, or even for business areas like a cafe, hotel, or restaurant. And one of my favorite things about this light fixture is that the rods are already wired, which makes it so much easier to put together and install. If you are in the market for a sophisticated vintage light fixture to add a pop of elegance to your space, be sure to take a look at this.